The assembly type BB kit, which can be applied in any form of load, is standardized by size, enabling mass production. Fast delivery is possible even for large quantities, just with multi-type internal board and stack bus bar. If a circuit breaker needs to be added on the panel board or its capacity needs to be changed due to a change in load demand, separate the circuit breaker and connect the circuit breaker to BB kit without separate processing in bus bar for installation in order to make addition or change. Thank you